The time has come, you guys. It's time to stop procrastinating. It is time for me to be honest with you. I have a yarn problem, you guys. It's time that I organized all this yarn. Okay, are you ready for this? There's bags. There's tons on the floor. There's more on the floor. And more bins, and more bags, and more boxes. It's everywhere. I have too much of it. I know this, but it is what it is. And it's time for me to finally have a nice place to display it. The first thing that I need to do is just clear off these shelves. I need to put, finally, the knobs that go on this dresser, and then we can hopefully start organizing. Okay, all the knobs are on the dresser. It kind of looks like it needs a cleaning, but I think I'm gonna save that till later. Now I think I'm going to clean off these shelves and start to figure out what exactly I'm doing here. So I'm going to start pulling out all the different colors. I'm gonna put them on a lower shelf so it's a little easier. And then I gotta decide like how? Do I want them in a rainbow order? Like ish? But this is not gonna be a perfect rainbow wall. I'm just telling you that right now. So if you're not here for that, then you've been warned. Another thing that I have are all these wire baskets that hook onto the shelves. I'm thinking I'm gonna do that at the bottom, or maybe, you guys, one of the problems I thought I was gonna have is the fact that these shelves are just open on the end, so things might fall off. But what if I put shelves on each end or baskets on each end so that whatever's sitting here is contained? That might be a good idea. There is just literally so much stuff here that I'm gonna just start, I don't even know, putting stuff up. Okay, you guys, it is done. And before I show you the whole thing, let's just talk about what a journey this has been. I have definitely rediscovered that I have way too much yarn, and I'm not mad about it, but it's exhausting to organize that. I couldn't even fit it all on this wall. We'll talk about that another time, but without further ado, here is the finished yarn wall.